Easy to cook Hainanese braised pork on nong yok. First, you need 500 grams of belly pork with skin on, preferably. Then add 4 tablespoons of light soy, 5 tablespoons of dark soy, 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix it well and leave it to rest for about an hour. Crush 4 cloves of garlic, put some oil in a hot pan or wok and fry the garlic till it's fragrant. Next, add the seasoned belly pork and again fry it till all the sides of the pork belly are slightly seared. When it gets a little bit dry, add water from the pan that we used to season the pork in. Don't waste the soy sauce. Then let it cook for a minute before you transfer it into a slow cooker on a slow heat for about 2 hours. You can also cook it over the gas stove, but it needs to be on the lowest flame 2 hours. That's it. Enjoy.